is another AJ Beats production.
HD 3D beats. If you try and tap in with me and get some beats, hit me up at 3donthebeat@gmail.com or hit me up on one of the social sites. If you trying to check me out, go to YouTube, HD 3D beats. Let's go.
And he got a perfect stance. Footage I got such a short bit of time. Bruce wheels. Go back. down this way.
Huh?
That red one. That red one.
Spider or slingshot. One of those here. But I did see a vendor hole that caught my eye. Nobody registered under that. I found out that vendor hole. I know y'all saw it. Black. Black. You want to see that? You want to hear? So bag it. Oh. Slash vendor. Anybody registered that cruiser slash vendor? Turbo too.
Damn. Gotta try to catch.
That's BOP goes to.
I don't know. I mean, yeah, the verse look good. Verse do look good.
It says 2 on it. Come here, Mike. I thought you was gone. Come here for a minute, Mike. For a minute.
Isn't that windshield not too dark too?
Yeah. Oh, damn.
Big G
Yeah,
with the
that-
Buick
that's it.
Electra flip flop.
It's the work, bro. I'm telling you, the work better, bro.
Yeah.
The work better.
Them T-top, man. When you slide a T-top.
But the ones that didn't get it, though, hold them, try to put it in their hands.
No, they don't.
Man, I love this.
Was she driving the
Hey,
whole
yo.
time? Was she driving the whole time? Oh, shit. Yeah. Who you think got a bigger? Watch that. Oh, they went there. That thing got paid in it. All right, boss
A
man.
little bit more work, big bro.
Oh, you almost there?